Meaning of headhunting.
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 Headhunting. Headhunting is the practice of recruiting talented individuals who are already employed elsewhere, with the aim of matching them to better job opportunities. The term originated from the practice of collecting and displaying the heads of enemies as a symbol of victory in some ancient cultures. In the modern world of business, headhunting is a common practice used by recruiters or executive search firms to identify and attract highly qualified candidates for senior or executive positions. These individuals may possess specific skills, experience, or knowledge that make them highly sought after, and headhunting can be an effective way to secure their services for a new employer.